fall down. Mama, I'm fine, don't worry. Go back out, you see. Sail home, sweet home, where the ships must go to get all cleaned up and
So as soon as you arrive, they're gonna give you a welcome drink. At yung pinaka natin, aid after probably from a long drive, just arriving here, you're gonna be greeted with their welcome drinks. Cheers! Alright, so let's start our house tour dito sa kanilang first room. It has a queen size bed, fit for, probably 3 person. This sofa is actually convertible into another bed. You have your entertainment, flat screen TV. Let's go to the bathroom. Look at that, napakaganda. I really like the aesthetic, the way they organized and structured everything. It's a mix of classic old style plus modern architecture and approach. That's why I'm saying it's mixing kasi ganun talaga yung the way I feel it, no? But then again, this is the first room. Take a look at it for the last time. We're gonna go to the second room right now. Guys, welcome to the second room. So dito naman, comparing it from the first room, I believe it has parang similar size. However, iba yung orientation ng bed natin as well as yung entertainment. Pinaka-bed natin is facing yung TV. I think this has a more comfortable in terms of viewing or watching. Yung sofa natin and then yung extendable bed goes this way. Again, similar to the first room. Ito naman yung kanyang CR. Nice! I really like it. So sleek, very evident yung modern Bali theme and design ng staycation na to. This is our living room slash indoor dining area. How do I describe it? Actually, it's high ceiling. Meron tayong native chandelier, very close to, really more of an organic nature, ganyan. Our living area natin is sunken. Parang it keeps the boundary of the living area and yung kitchen natin without any wall. Appliances din natin dito are new as of, vlogging this place. Habang nagluluto kayo guys, you wanna charge your phone, just, place it here or look at that. It's rising up. Charging station, basically. Going down. Welcome to the swimming pool area. Eto siya guys. Right now, kung may naririnig kayong sound, and that is because meron tayong outdoor movie. There you go. In which the kids are already enjoying. We have 2 sections. This one is for, more of the mas malalim, no? And then the other one, dun sa kabila naman, has the falls. How are you, bro? You good? You good? You like it here? Rate it 1 to 10. What's
989.
989 out of 10? Wow, that's a lot of score. Okay, so this is the third room. Actually, in third and fourth room has identical size and amenity. So what you're gonna see here is gonna be similar to the room number 4.